Got it? Okay, so that. It's gonna go underneath. And then clip it, so you squeeze it, okay? So here, flip his ears forward. See that? You're gonna flip his ears forward. Put that underneath. Find the clip, there it is. And clip it, okay? Then this goes back here, okay? Then to take it off, you unclip this. Find that clasp, unclip it, comes off. The other way to do it, no, sit. Sit, bud. Good boy, sit. Hey, sit, good. The other way to do it is to just take one of these links, put your thumb down, and then grab, wiggle, and they pop out. Then to put it back in, you're gonna use your finger and your thumb to squeeze it in. So how that looks on him, flop the ears forward, and you squeeze it in like that. Put this, I have to put it underneath now so it doesn't get tangled. And that's already on there. Okay, that's good, thanks, come here.